So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add before and after slider to your Wix website. So come on to lsite.com, click on widget, click on before and after slider in tools. Now click on create widget. And you can see a bunch of templates here. Choose whichever you like. Now click on continue with this template. And you can also customize your template here however you like. After completing it, click on join to install. Now you just have to simply sign up to your Lsite account. After that guys, you just have to click on save button and choose this subscription. Now just click on this code to copy it and come to your editor.wix.com. Now click on add elements, click on embed code and click on embed HTML. Now click on this box and paste the code and now click on update. And you can see guys, here is the before and after slider on my Wix website. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.